Hi, the allure of penny stocks is simple. They don't cost much money and they promise big profits. However, trading penny stocks is also a good way to lose money. Let us give you 5 reasons why you should not trade penny stocks. Number 1. Penny stocks are speculation. The main reason you want to stay away from penny stocks is because they are based purely on speculation. There are no underlying fundamentals that are driving the value of these stocks. It's simply people making a very risky investment. In some cases, the fluctuations are driven by pump and dump schemes. That's where average investors get caught and lose money. The prospect of making a lot of money from a small price movement makes it seem like an attractive investment. However, 99% of new investors that try penny stocks will most likely end up losing money. Number 2. Patience versus impatience. When you think about it, investing in penny stocks boils down to a conversation about patience versus impatience. Patience is a hard skill to learn, but it is essential for investing. When first investing, this is a skill set that most people are not inherently aware of and struggle with. Instead, they want to make money and want to make it quickly. This lends itself to a situation when you make emotional decisions and lose money. Without patience, you are not going to be able to wait out a company until they are able to implement strategies that will make them profitable. The greatest gains in stocks come over years, not days. However, with penny stocks, you are inherently in a mindset that requires making a lot of quick trades in order to make quick money. Fight the impulse of impatience. Our inherent love for volatility is something that every investor needs to learn how to control. Investing the right way is centered around long-term gains and being patient with your investments. It sounds boring, but it's much more likely to result you in making money rather than losing it. Number 3. You need to always watch the markets. Another problem with penny stock is the fact that there is a much smaller window to exit a trade and still make a profit. Penny stocks display greater volatility, which means that a few hours can determine whether or not you lose money. Price movements happen so quickly that you might have a 2-hour gap where you can get out of a stock and make money. If you are not able to sell your shares, then you are stuck taking a loss. This makes penny stocks impossible to invest in unless you are constantly watching the markets. Number 4. Big gains with small portfolios. Another reason most new investors are drawn to penny stocks is because they have smaller portfolios. If you are one of those new investors, you have probably considered investing in penny stocks at some point. Tripling your money quickly to grow your portfolio and then taking a less risky approach later seems like a good strategy. Again, it sounds good in theory, but the implementation is different. If you don't have much money and you start playing with penny stocks, the chance of losing money and setting yourself a few months back is extremely high. One problem with trading when you have a small portfolio is transaction costs. When you trade, your transaction costs are actually going to eat up a lot of your profit. Number 5. Final word. Try to stay away from penny stocks at all costs. View investing as a platform to grow your portfolio and net worth in the future. Don't risk your money or gamble it away with penny stocks. Yes, it sounds very appealing, but you will most likely end up losing money and regret ever making those trades. There are a small percentage of people that have achieved profitability with penny stocks. Those guys may have figured it out, but they probably lost a lot of money on the way while learning how to do it properly. So, unless you have the time and funds to dedicate towards it, try to stay away from it. Instead, use value investing and fundamental analysis to take a longer-term approach and expose your portfolio to less risk. Great! We hope you find these tips very useful and important to know when you wish to trade stocks. Hopefully, these tips will serve you well. Thanks for watching and good luck!